Hello everyone! In this video we will be removing the front seats of the Audi A6 C5. The same is true of the Passat B5. They are very easy to remove, both front and back ones. As you can see, I have already removed the back seat. In the description of the video there is a link to how to do this. To remove the front seats, you have to pull the seat itself forward and then remove the plastic runner pads. Some people may have more padding on the legs of the seat itself, so they are also removed. Next, we pull the seat back and now you need to remove the plastic pad covering the bolts. Pull it toward yourself to detach the clips of this pad. Next, we see two bolts that need to be unscrewed with a T40 head. After the bolts have been unscrewed, the seat can be lifted and the connectors can be reached. Disconnect all the plugs. After disconnecting the wiring harness, all you have to do is pull the seat outward. To do this, I unfolded the back of the seat, so it would be convenient to pull it out through the passenger's doorway. I got the first seat out. Now I have to do exactly the same thing with the second seat on the driver's side. As you can see, there is nothing difficult here. Just remember that after you install the seats back, on the dashboard the airbag error will light up because you disconnected the belt pretensioner connector. That's all. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and see you soon in the next videos.